Hello and welcome to this new tutorial of Academic System Cloud School Management Platform. In this video, we will show you how to perform caching. To collect a payment like a tuition fees, uniform fees, sportswear or transportation fees, go to Student menu. In Final section, make a click to Caching Quit link. In the windows that appear in a small text box, write a part of name of the student for whom you wish to collect a payment and then click on refresh button to update the list of students' name in the large text box. Now click in the large text box to select your student. The financial situation of the student will be appear. Here you have the different payment category: registration fees, tuition fees, uniform or sportswear fees, with the base amount, the discount amount, the expected amount, the collected amount, and the remaining amount. To perform caching, go to the right of the payment category you wish to collect, and in the new payment column, you write the receive payment. Here I will cache the registration fees and a part of the tuition fees. Under you have the payment method. The default method is cash method. If the payment was made to a bank, you have to choose bank and specify the name of bank. You can also you have to specify the payment date and reference of a bank receipt. There's another information is optional, like the depositor's name or depositor phone or email. Here you have two templates of receipt. The default template is a complete receipt or detailed receipt with a QR code, and another template is simple receipt without QR code. You have to choose your template. You can also choose do not to print receipt. Here I will choose the default template receipt, and also here I will choose the default method payment. And then if all the information is okay, you have to confirm to validate your payment by clicking on this button, confirm payment. Now the receipt will be appear in two copy. You have to print it, to sign it, and give one copy to parent and keep another with you. Thank you and see you for the next video.